Ordering coffee like a robot, because it's making you sound incredibly rude to the barista.
Wait, what? I just say, I want coffee. Is that wrong?
It's a total fluency killer. Today we're mastering coffee shop English so you sound natural and confident.
I had no idea. I don't want to sound rude. What should I say instead?
By the end of this video, you'll be ordering like a native New Yorker. Let's go. First, stop using the phrase, I want. It sounds like a demand, not a request.
Oh no. So what's the magic phrase everyone actually uses?
Try, can I get? Or, I'll have. Followed by your drink.
So, can I get a latte?
Perfect. It's polite and it's what 90% of native speakers say every morning.
Is I'd like also okay to use?
Yes, I'd like is very polite, but can I get is the standard for casual cafes.
Got it. Can I get a cappuccino?
Exactly. You're already sounding 10 times more fluent.
What about the sizes? They are so confusing.
That's lesson 2. Don't just say medium or large at places like Starbucks.
Right, they have those weird names like grande and venti.
Exactly. And you must specify your milk if you don't want dairy.
Like oat milk or almond milk?
Spot on. Try saying, can I get a grande oat milk latte?
And if I'm taking it to my office?
Just add to go at the end. Can I get a large black coffee to go?
What if I want to sit and read my book there?
Then say, for here, please. It helps them choose the right cup.
Okay, a small latte for here, please.
Nailed it. Now, ready for the pro tip that changes everything?
I'm ready. Give me the secret sauce.
Use the word splash when you want just a tiny bit of milk.
A splash? Like in a swimming pool?
No. It means a small amount. Can I get a black coffee with a splash of cream?
That sounds so much more professional than a little milk.
It is. Also, if you need space to add that milk yourself, say, with room.
With room? Like a hotel room?
No. It means, don't fill the cup to the top so the coffee doesn't spill when you add milk.
Ah. So, a large coffee with room for cream.
You've got it. That phrase alone makes you sound like a native speaker. Let's put it all together. I'm the barista. Hi. What can I get for you today?
Hi. Can I get a grande iced vanilla latte with oat milk?
Sure thing. Anything else for you?
Actually, can I also get a medium drip coffee with a splash of whole milk?
You got it. Is that for here or to go?
To go, please. And could you leave some room in the drip coffee?
No problem at all. That'll be $6.50.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Wow, a tip. Now you're really acting like a local.
Practice makes perfect. I feel so much better now.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and comment your favorite coffee order using "Can I get?"
I'm going to read every single comment, so make sure you use room or splash.
Quick recap, use "Can I get?", specify your size and milk, and say "with room" if you're adding cream.
Subscribe for daily English tips. We have a new video every single day.